Savannah, it's your time. It's Morphin time. Here to save the world, the legendary red Mighty Morphin Power Ranger commands the skies of New York City, and it's 77 feet long and 5 stories tall. It's one of the largest balloons in the parade. This coming year, the global phenomenon, Power Rangers, will reach its 25th anniversary milestone, reminding fans, really of all ages, you've got the power to unleash your inner superhero.
I like that. Celebrating teamwork and diversity, Power Rangers Super Ninja Steel will
Vanilla State Police Department just intrudes on alert children child Willie. The second bill is the girl says for the 40 pounds and 33 pounds alert. The child says seen is differently. There's the 6 years old girl. There's a blue jeans, black Hello Kitty, and a rainbow heart shirt. This is so first we have 6655 holographically. This is really in the city of Chuck E. Cheese's. Police have found children. The first ability to Martin Millie. The first is a couple of 2012. There's the white male, 34 years old, weighs 60 pounds, brown hair or brown eyes. They to be child's name of fired. Taking Ville in the 2007 and 2018. Taking it to the police 66200. There's over 2 ladies and 716 is 10 years old. Destin. There's 60 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. This is a couple of the 005. 2 Leos and 16. 2 Leos and 16 is wild.
Okay with. Take a break right in front of us.
Behind us. Wow.
Yeah, I love that. It's pretty fabulous. This is a photo op for your Christmas card with your kids are right underneath. They're like, Dad, I don't want you in it this year. It's just going to be us, the 2 boys.